Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where today's recipe has more flavor than all the Thanksgiving dinners I've eaten at my mother-in-law's house. Today we're going to make Marry Me Chicken. This recipe calls for 3 large chicken breasts cut in half. I don't like chicken breasts, so we're going to do chicken thighs. We're going to set our chicken thighs on this tray. We're going to season them with salt and pepper. We're going to take our chicken thighs and about 6 tablespoons of flour, give or take. May need more. If you do, throw some more down. We're going to lightly dredge them. Shake off the excess. To a skillet, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that our oil is nice and hot, we're going to fry each chicken thigh up 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until it's nice and golden brown. Now the chicken's all done, we're going to take the last 2 pieces out. We're going to take 3 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to saute them up for a minute. This step is unnecessary if you follow the instructions, the ingredient list. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. I had 3 tablespoons of butter. Well, I was like, screw it, I'm not going to cut it. Then I had, who knows how much oil because I just eyeballed it. I have too much oil in here, so I'm going to make a little roux. Let that flour cook for a minute. Well, we'll let that cook. We're going to add in 1 cup of chicken stock. You want to deglaze your pan. I don't have to worry about deglazing. It's already deglazed. So, adjust the heat to medium-low. We're going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream and a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. Now we're going to bring this to a simmer. Now that we're starting to simmer, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, and a quarter teaspoon of thyme. Get that mixed in. We're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. Yeah, I sit there. I usually take it out, but I forgot. Oops. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Now we're going to add our chicken thighs back in. And let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it's time to cut off the heat. It's time to plate. And it's time to eat. Now we're going to take some panini noodles. Slide this chicken aside. Pour the sauce on top of the noodles. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. If I was single and gay, I'd be asking for myself to marry me. This is pretty dang good. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.